Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Good evening, everyone. How are you? Hello. Hello. Good evening. Yes, of course, Aditya. I do remember you. Hey, Sudarshan. Hello, Suchi. Hey, Vaibhav. Yeah, I have. You all can hear me, right? Yes. Hey, Yashasvi. Hey, Sudhakar. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hey, Kriti. Hey, Hari Om. Thank you. Yes, one shot videos very soon, very soon. Hello, Akshat. So, as you all know, we are done with the trends, right? Trends in the modern periodic table. So, we have already studied. Then, what we will be doing in today's session? Any idea? Hanji, I'm not well. Yes. Any idea? Hey, what is happening? Just give me a minute. Okay. Sample paper, huh? So if you remember when we had solved the sample paper, so I had left the questions which were related to this chapter because it was not done and it would have been very difficult for you to understand and comprehend and answer. So that's what we will be doing it. So first I'll just summarize what are the trends and then we'll solve the sample paper. Of course, Menti hoga. ठीक है? Shall we start? No. Today only trends, and then there will be a separate session on a Menti and quiz doubt session. ठीक है? Okay then. Chalo, we'll start. So this is the periodic table. Everyone can see, right? And I guess you remember. I really hope you remember all the trends. Do you? Yes. Why do you want to go? And if you want to take up the pro subscription, so all you have to do is just visit the link given in the description box and choose your grade board and click onto the get subscription. Okay? Thank you. And what is the code? If you want additional 20% discount from my side, you have to use the coupon code SURPRO. Okay, you revise. That's very good, G. The code is SURPRO. Mm. So now coming to the learning objectives trends in the modern periodic table. See what are the four trends which is there in their syllabuses: valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic character, electronegativity, which we already have studied. Right? We have already discussed these properties in the last session. You guys remember? Yes. Menti, I'll start. Thank you, Kushagra. Means a lot. Or you want me to explain it again? No. Ha. Hello. Yes, sir. I won't eat. So valency, what happens first? It increases and then it decreases. So I'll just explain it again quickly. We'll just summarize one so that it will be easy for you to play the Menti. And then atomic radius, what happens? Across the period it decreases and down the group it increases. You know the reason, right? Effective nuclear charge, screening effect. And because the electrons will be added to the same shell across the period but to the different shells down the group. Ha. And then along a group it will increase. Metallic character, what will happen to the metallic character? Across the period it decreases, non-metallic character increases. So when it comes to the metallic character down the group it increases, non-metallic character down the group it decreases, because as the atomic size increases there will be difficulty in adding the electron, so that is the reason non-metallic character decreases, right? Okay. Then is electronegativity. What exactly is electronegativity is? So the tendency of the atoms to pull the shared pair of electrons towards themselves. Okay, the bonded, एक bond में, for example, X and Y के बीच में there is a covalent bond. So Y, what happens? Y, as it is more electronegative, it has the tendency to attract, to just pull the electron, shared pair of electron towards itself. This is what is known as electronegativity. So obviously, as you go across the period, so these elements, these atoms with the smaller atomic size, so the distance between the nucleus and these shared pair of electrons will be less, so the nucleus of these atoms can hold on to the shared pair of electrons compared to the जो भी elements group 1 group 2 में है on the left side of the periodic table. Yes, okay. So this is what is electronegativity. And coming to the nature of oxides, so obviously metals, metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. So these are the nature of oxides. Oxides of metals are basic, oxides of non-metals are acidic, but you have amphoteric oxides also, that is the basic oxides like Al2O3 and zinc oxide. They act both as, acid as well as a base. Okay. So this is the overall summary of the periodic trends. Now let us solve some questions from the sample paper related to this chapter. I want all of you to answer. Okay. So first you need to read the following. Metallic character. What exactly is metallic character? The ability of an atom to donate electrons and form positive ion. Right? That is, Na will give an electron and will form Na plus. है ना? You agree? It's buffering. Is it fine now? Is it buffering? It should be fine now. Okay, Abhishek, we'll do that. It is known as electropositivity or metallic character. So what will happen to the metallic character? Metallic character increases due to the increase in atomic size. So down the group and across the period, it decreases due to the decrease in the atomic size. And non-metallic character is completely opposite, ulta hai. The ability of an atom to accept the electrons to form a negative ion, that is anion, is called as non-metallic character or electronegativity. The elements having high electronegativity have a higher tendency to gain electrons from anion. So down the group, what happens? Electronegativity decreases. So as what happens, as the atomic size increases, as I told you, so the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell to which electron is being added is also, the distance will be high, right? So it will be very difficult for the nucleus to hold on to that electron. So electronegativity decreases down the group. Across the period, it increases as there will be decrease in the atomic size. Yes, so what you have to do is these questions, now you will see a graph. See here. So x-axis में क्या है? Atomic number. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And this is the atomic radius. So y-axis में atomic radius, x-axis में atomic number. So what you have to do, you have to read the questions. Now we will have 4 sub-questions. We have to answer all of them. Okay. The first is, which of the following correctly represents the decreasing order of metallic character of alkali metals? So these are the alkali metals, right? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So what is the question? Decreasing order hona chahiye. Can you tell me which is the right option? A, B, C, D. Let's see. Which of the following correctly represents the decreasing order of metallic character of alkali metals plotted in the graph? Decreasing order. By looking at the options only, you can answer this question. We'll come up with that. C. So many of you are saying C. Yes, not D. Pakka. C pakka. 1 second. Show graph. Okay. This is atomic radius. So what happens with the increase in the atomic size? What will happen to the metallic character? Will it increase or decrease? See here? Hanji? Yep. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Give me a high five. Very good, very good. Because one thing we know that with the increase in the size, because down the group we said metallic character increases. So obviously group 1, that is alkali metals, mein first comes your lithium, and then sodium, potassium, and then rubidium, cesium, right? So obviously it will have the greater atomic size, so it can easily lose electron, so it will have the greatest metallic character. Okay. The next question, hydrogen is placed along with alkali metals. First, in the modern periodic table, even though it shows non-metallic character, why? What could be the reason? A, as hydrogen has one electron and readily loses electron to form negative ion. As hydrogen can easily lose one electron like alkali metals to form positive ion. As hydrogen can gain one electron easily like halogens to form negative ion, as hydrogen shows the properties of non-metals. So even though it has the properties of non-metals also, it has been placed in group 1 along with the alkali metals. Why is the question? B. Okay. Many of you are saying B. Because alkali metals, so they have the tendency to lose electron, right? So all these elements in the group 1, so they have one valence electron. Upon losing it, they will have this octet configuration which will make them stable. So even hydrogen can also lose one electron and can form a cation, right? Which is a proton. है ना? So the right option would be B. Very good. Which of the following has highest electronegativity? So what happens? What is the trend? Electronegativity increases or decreases across the period down the group. Which of the following has highest electronegativity? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. A. Some alkali metals. See, group 1 में जो भी metals है ना, so they are called, all the elements, they are said to be alkali metals because they form very strong alkalis, that is water soluble bases. A. Okay. Fluorine. Because what we know, down the group the electronegativity decreases. So this is 17th group, no? Fluorine comes first and then chlorine, bromine, iodine. So fluorine will have the highest electronegativity. Very good. Identify the reason for the gradual change in electronegativity in halogens down the group. So why do you think electronegativity there will be change? Why don't they have the same electronegativity throughout the group? What is the reason? That is what you have to identify. Halogens group is 17. Menti have not started yet. It's not Menti, it's not Menti. Wait. We'll just finish this and then we'll go for the Menti. Okay. Okay. Identify the reason for the gradual change in electronegativity in halogens down the group. What might be the reason? A. Electronegativity increases down the group due to increase in atomic size. Or B. Electronegativity decreases down the group due to decrease in tendency to lose electrons. C. Electronegativity decreases down the group due to increase in atomic radius and tendency to gain electron decreases. D. Electronegativity increases down the group due to increase in forces of attractions between nucleus and valence electrons. Confirm. C. Acha. It's not B. Bangalore. Pakka. Very good. Why? So what is electronegativity? So the nucleus is very, very important, right? The nucleus should be able to pull the shared pair of electrons towards itself. But because as the atomic size increases, the distance between the nucleus and the shared pair of electrons decreases, so it won't be able to gain electrons or pull the electrons easily. So of course, as you go down the group, the electronegativity decreases. Reason kya hai? Increase in the atomic radius and tendency to gain electron decreases. है ना? हाँ. Very good. Yes, Sudarshan. Which of the following reason correctly justifies that fluorine has smaller atomic radius than lithium? We saw the graph, right? I'll show it to you again. Hanji. This is the graph. You can see the atomic size. Lithium 152 hai and fluorine is 72. But what is the reason? How can you justify the atomic radii is the question. Okay. A, F and Li are in the same group. Atomic size increases down the group. B, fluorine and lithium are in the same period. Atomic size increases across the period. C, F and Li are in the same group. Atomic size decreases down the group. D, F and Li are in the same period and across the period atomic size or radius decreases from left to right. Hey Diksha. So I see A, if you are saying A and D. Think. A, D. A or D? What is the position of these two elements in the atomic in the periodic table? They are in the same group. Huh? They are in the same group, huh? So lithium is a halogen or fluorine is a alkali metal. That's what you guys are saying. Yes, they are in the same period, right? है ना? Second period, very good. No confusion. So the answer is, so they are in the same period. So what happens? What happens to the atomic size across the period? It decreases. है ना? So obviously lithium का atomic size ज़्यादा होगा compared to fluorine. है ना? Simple, no? Please don't get confused. You should know whenever you are supposed to answer these kind of questions. First thing is you have to know what is the position of the elements. है ना? हाँ. So see, it's not something you can figure out. So usually they will give you the values whenever they are asked if there are any questions related to the atomic radii and all that. They will give you the values. You don't have to find it. ठीक है? Okay. The next question. This is kind of related to chemical reactions as well as the periodic properties. The following observations were made by a student on treating 4 metals P, Q, R and S with the given salt solutions. So these are the metals. ठीक है? P, Q, R, S. So this is related to reactivity series. I hope you remember. Reactivity series. ठीक है? So with P, with magnesium sulfate, no reaction. So that is what kind of reaction will happen? Displacement reaction, no reaction. With zinc, yes, reaction takes place. Calcium sulfate, yes, it could displace calcium from its compound. And with sodium sulfate, no reaction. Q, with all these salts, so it reacted with all these salts, that is, it underwent the displacement reaction with all the following salts. R, no reaction with magnesium sulfate. And with zinc, yes, the reaction takes place. With calcium sulfate, no. With Na2SO4, no. S, magnesium sulfate के साथ no reaction. With any of these compounds, it couldn't react. Now, the question is, arrange the given samples in the increasing order of reactivity. Arrange the given samples in the increasing order of reactivity and write the chemical formula of the products formed when Q reacts with copper sulfate. Yes, this is done, right? I know, we'll just do it again. So arrange the given samples in the increasing order of reactivity. You can see that here. So S is not reacting with anything. है ना? So obviously it should be less reactive, and then comes R, and then it is P, and the most reactive would be Q because it is even, it can even react with sodium sulfate. है ना? Okay. So write the chemical formula. So if Q is reacting with copper sulfate, what would be the product, children? Q plus copper sulfate. What would be the product? What is Menti? Oh, when is Menti? Is question के बाद. Potassium sulfate. अच्छा. But they are not asking you to mention the metal. Q, what should I write? Q2SO4 or QSO4? Tell me. Q2SO4, huh? K, right? Potassium. So as it is able to displace sodium also, so we can assume that Q has to be potassium. So potassium ka valency is +1 and sulfate is -2. So it has to be Q2SO4 plus copper. Right? Yes, of course. Hanji? Okay. The next one, the last question. The following table shows the position of 5 elements. Okay. Element A, D, E, B, C. In the modern periodic table, see group and period. So A, B, C belongs to second period, D and E belongs to third period, and A belongs to first group, D to second group, and E in the 15th group, and B is in the 17th group, C is in the 18th group. Now we need to answer the following questions. Which element is a metal with valency 2? See, you need to remember group 1, group 2, and it's better if you can remember 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All the very best, all the very best. D है ना, because it is in the group 2. So group 2 में the number of valence electrons will be 2, right? So obviously its valency will also be +2. है ना, got it everyone? It's D, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. Which element is least reactive? A, D, E, B or C? Which element is least reactive? Hey Shagun. Happy birthday. Hey Diya. Diya, it's been a long time. I haven't seen you. C. Why? Because it belongs to 18th group. So it has 8 electrons or maybe 2 electrons, duplet configuration or octet configuration, which makes it stable. It doesn't have to react. Right? Okay. Out of D and E, which element has a smaller atomic radius? D is in group 2, E is in group 15. Out of D and E, which element has a smaller atomic radius? What happened to the atomic radius across the period? Very good. Why? Because they both are in the same period, and one thing we have already learned is atomic size decreases across the period. So compared to D, E must have the smaller atomic size, right? Yes. So E has the smaller atomic radius. Okay. So this will be a homework. How does the electronic configuration of an atom relate to its position in the modern periodic table? If you know the electronic configuration of an element, you can tell the position, you can predict the position of the element in the modern periodic table. How is the question? So please let me know in the comment section. And now, yes, Hanji, be ready, it's quiz time. So everyone go to www.menti.com and I'll give you the code. Just give me a minute. ठीक है? Okay. 733506. That's the Menti code. Go to www.menti.com and use the code 733506. Thank you. Hey Dakshita, I'm good. Thank you so much. Both period and group, both. You have the electronic configuration. How will you find out the position of that element in the periodic table? That's his question. I like my students. CBSE, ICSE, no. Come on, join. I'm good. Thank you, Yashasvi. Oh, I see purple, yellow, and blue hearts as well. Pink. We have just started. Chalo, we'll start. And lots of love from Karnataka too. Join Menti. अच्छा तो शुरू करें. Yes. Okay. All the very best. Thank you. This is my sisters. So I'll start now. We have 46 students, or should I wait for another minute? Everyone go to www.menti.com if you have not joined yet and use the code 733506. Come on. Oh, I want to have donut. Please wait. Yes, Kishan. Come on. Join here. It's Karnataka. Thank you. अच्छा एलियन कहाँ है इधर? हाँ. No, wait. हाँ. No, this is, see, there will be a separate session. ठीक है? Meant to solve your doubts and to play Menti. Whole chapter का. This is related to only today's topic. हाँ. Cool? ठीक है. चलो. And if you are here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and like and share the video also. On moving from left to right in a period, in the periodic table, the size of the atom increases, decreases, does not change appreciably. First decreases, then increases. Left to right in the periodic table, what will happen to the size of the atom as your question? Hey Priya. Yeah, the tweety, acha. Increases across the period. Atomic size decreases. है ना? Right. Who answered increases? No. It decreases, children. Please do not get confused. है ना? You know the reason also. Okay, so on the leaderboard we have Omkar, Ayush, Priyanka, Saurabh, Rahul, KL. That's your like real name, KL Rahul, or you're a fan of cricketer. Sanchit, Harshit from Bihar, Sudarshan, Akshay. Today is my lucky day. Why? Agent X9. 22nd place. That's okay, Manchi. Come on, join now. So the question is, arrange the following elements in the order of their decreasing metallic character. Decreasing metallic character. See, first find out whether these elements belong to the same group or period and then answer. Thank you, Guru. That's so sweet. Think it's okay. You still have 22 seconds. Hey, Srishti. You click long. That's okay. Oh, only one like. Why am I, seeing very cute and beautiful thing today? I am not well. I'm sick. Okay. See, decreasing metallic character. So obviously chlorine. So first, only if you look at the first and second element only, you should get the answer, right? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, chlorine. Obviously sodium is most metallic and chlorine is a non-metal. It should have the least metallic character, right? Henna? Right? Got it? No, it's okay. It's okay if you have done a mistake, but you have to learn from it. That is very, very important. Okay. So on the leaderboard we have, let's see. Yeah, yes, it is about learning the topic. We have Ayush, Aditi, Harshit, Aditya, Priyanka, Sudhakar, KL Rahul, Diya, Saurabh, Muskan. Very good. Okay, moving on. '41st place. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group? Easy peasy question. Atomic radius, metallic character, valency, number of shells in an element. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group? Yes, come on, you still have 20 seconds. Easy, I know, right? Very easy. Good. See, group 1. So all the elements. How many valence electrons do they have? Can you tell me? Group 1 का elements के outermost orbit में how many electrons are present? 1. And how will we determine valency? So if the number of electrons present in outermost shell is 1 to 4, its valency also has to be equal to the number of valence electrons. So 1 एक electron है, so its valency is 1. So while you go down the group, the valency does not change, it remains constant. है ना? Ah, very good. Lots of love from Karnataka. So on the leaderboard we have Ayush, Priyanka, Aditi, Rahul, Diya, Aryam, Saurabh, Rohan. Thank you. Muskan, Akshat. Akshat, you didn't tell me why do you think it's your lucky day? Swag. Let's see. So what is this now? Which of these cities in North India have a Vedantu student who has secured above 600 in NEET 2020? You know, right? So Vedantu has the best results online platform mein. So we have got the very, very, very good results. So let us see. Do you know the answer? No? I don't know. All of the above. Very good. Yes. So, we have another 2 questions related to our results, JEE and NEET ka results. Try to guess. ठीक है? This is not in your syllabus. In JEE Advanced 2020, which Vedantu student from which zone have produced the most ranks? North, East, West या South? Think. YG Srilata. Lots of love from Tamil Nadu also. Yes, of course, you will get the PDF of every session. बस guess करो जी. हाँ. South. Very good. North. Na. See now, whoever was not there on the leaderboard, now I can see the different names. Jeevan, Muskan was there, no? Muskan, Sudarshan. You were like, what is this? It's not there in the syllabus, but you're on leaderboard now. 12th grader, do you remember me? No. Ayush, Jeevan, Sansat, Aditi, Rohan, Diya, Akshat. Good evening. See, only those 3 questions were related to chemistry. These are not. But it's okay, no? You can learn something new. Come on, we are all part of Vedantu. We have to know this. In JEE Advanced 2020, XYZ number of Vedantu students cleared the exam. How many? No, this is not, dear. 3, 2, 1, time's up. Can you believe 548 students have cleared JEE Advanced 2020? Congratulations to all the students and even the master teachers who have helped them and the whole Vedantu family for bringing out such nice result. Acha, oh, that's why. Last question. All the very best. Andhra Pradesh has 100 plus, Mumbai has 80 plus, Delhi has 60 plus. Can you guess what are we talking about? Vedantu toppers, number of districts, tourist spots. Please sing a song. Why? 3, 2, 1. Time up. This everyone has to get it right. Wait, what? Who chose number of districts? Even if it's not related to Vedantu or our syllabus also, who chose number of districts? Are you saying Andhra Pradesh has 100 districts? Huh? Hey Danuma. Huh, that was the hint. No, everything was related to Vedantu. I don't know who chose that. That was bad. What was bad? So on the leaderboard we have Muskan, Sudarshan, 12th grader, Jeevan, Ayush. Wait, 12th grader is on top. Sanchit, Priyanka, Muskan, Rohan, Aditi. Kya baat hai, kya baat hai. Congratulations. So how was it, guys? So in today's session, we have completed the chapter. How do you guys feel? We are only left with one shot videos and revision and making you perfecto in all these chapters. So in the next session, we'll have a doubt plus Menti. So if you have any doubts related to this whole chapter, please let me know in the comment section and tell me homework question ka jawab. Okay? That was unexpected but was fun, no? Okay, so and if you want to take up the pro subscription, just visit the link given in the description box and choose your grade, board and get the subscription. If you're asking why, see, exams are near, I'm sure you might be nervous. So if you want to complete the whole syllabus and want to revise and want to score well, this is the right way. And do not forget to use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 20% discount from whose side? From Surabhi Ma'am side. Thank you so much. Good night. Acha. Haan. Girish, you know, you are 100% right. That will be my next video. I have already recorded it also. Kya baat hai ji? Yes, done. Oh, that's you, Mohammed. Okay. You didn't play. That's okay. Acha. Thank you, people. And if you are here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe if you want such quality content and fun. I don't know. Just like and share this video. Thank you so much. You can reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Thank you so much. Strategy, so we have already done a video on it. Everything is done. Circuit G. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care. Till now it was your master teacher Surabhi teaching you her favorite subject and aapka sabka favorite subject, chemistry. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Keep loving chemistry.